Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and I'll be your host today to teach you all about D&S eBooks. So here I'm holding an AP Stats physical book, as you can see, and we've turned this into an ebook on our digital platform. The system is super easy to use and I give you step-by-step instructions in this video, so let's get started. If you want to place an order, you can go to our website at dsmarketing.com to place an order online or send us a purchase order. Feel free to contact us. Our phone number can be found right here on our website. And we also have an email if you have a question about your order. And we have an email for general inquiries and information. So after you've placed your order at dsmarketing.com or from the purchase order of the school, you'll get an email from orders@dsmarketing.com within about one business day with your access code. Your access code is going to be the most important thing that you need in order to get into our digital library. So you're going to have an email with your access code, and you're going to go to this website at ebooks.dsmarketing.com/register. And this is how you're going to get started. But most importantly, please keep your email, your username, and your password in a safe place. Make your password hard for someone to guess, but also easy for you to remember. And I'm going to put my email and I'm going to make a password to get started. And I'm going to make sure to click access code because class enrollment token is for later and those are for your students. But access code is for you as the instructor. So your access code is the most important thing, and that's from your email. And you can just copy and paste that from the email you've already gotten from orders@dsmarketing.com. After the purchase order was made or after you've already purchased, the digital library from dsmarketing.com. So I'm going to enter my access code right now. And there I am, successfully registered. How exciting. Okay. We're going to be in the system now. Yay. So here is your dashboard, and we're going to now click Learning Content, top left right here. And then we're going to click Library. And here we're going to see our titles that we've purchased. So for the purpose of our instructional video, I have an example of AP Calculus AB, but of course all of your titles will appear here no matter what course you're teaching. So this is our title, AP Calc AB, and now we're going to go to roster right here on our left. Then we're going to click class. And now we're going to click add our class. So you can title your class whatever you'd like. I'm going to title this AP Calc AB. I'm going to click save. And now I have a class. Exciting. Now generate your class enrollment token for your students. So right here we see class enrollment token. Now let me tell you a little bit about this. The class enrollment token is very important. Now if you remember, you got an access code for you to access the ebook initially as the instructor. Now this class enrollment token is for your students and your students only. Your students will never get an access code. They will only get a class enrollment token. And right here under class enrollment token, you're going to click generate. Woo! So this is your class enrollment token for your class for AP Calc AB. And you are going to have to give your students this class enrollment token. It's very important so they can access the ebook on their own. Each class has the same class enrollment token, so every student in your class will be using the same class enrollment token to access the ebook. If you want to send an email to your students, you totally can on our internal system. You can click share right here, and you can just write their email. So I'll write my email. And if you want to click more than one student, you would just do a comma, and you could write bobsmith123@gmail.com. And of course, you can customize your message. Dear AP Calc AB, so happy you could join me in this class this semester. Please read this important information to access your e-textbook. So everything is actually all written here for you. It's amazing. The class enrollment token is copy and pasted here. It even has my email, and it even has a little thing at the bottom with my signature, and you would just click send, and that's it. My email has been sent successfully. Amazing. So you can also individually add each student to our digital platform if you really want to. If you click student, and you can click add student. So now you're here and you want to add the student, so we could just write Bob Smith. And we can even generate a password for the student or not. We would click, after we make a username and password for them, we'll click AP Calc AB. Let's say they're in 12th grade, and I don't know if you would have their parent or guardian's email, and you can even click add more, and you can keep uploading all your students, and you would just click save, and then you would have your class with each individual student's information in the system, and you have roster of all your students. And if you want, as the instructor, you can see if the students have access to the digital library, which is great because you have all these amazing tools available to you as the instructor. If you're looking for your answer key as the instructor or teacher, you can go to your left and click teacher resource right here. And there you have it. Answer key for AP Calc AB. There it is. So we're going to go back to learning content here on our left. We're going to click library. And now we see our book, AP Calc AB. I'm going to click it. And here we are. Here's our book. So we can scroll. And remember, your students can make the book offline if they don't have internet at home or they're traveling or something. And remember, our digital platform is available on Android or Apple phones, on the internet, on Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you're using, on tablets, on, desktops, laptops, whatever you name it, we got it. And I just want to let you know that you're able to do all of these amazing things that you see on our left. We have a help bar, which lets you know exactly what each tool and icon is going to mean. So this is the highlight, this is a pen, you can make notes. If I want to search and look up the word found, I can see that all here on all these different pages, which is awesome. I can decide which color I want to use for my drawings. My circling can be thicker. I can do a bookmark if I would like to do a bookmark. I can add a note. So I see my note is here. I can view it as one page. I can view it as 2 pages. I can zoom out. And just so you know, your students will not be able to screenshot or print the pages from our digital platform. After you've activated your access code, you have 365 days to view the ebook. Depending on the number of licenses, you can always add more students in your course. For example, the student joins your course later in the semester. We at D&S can also do add-ons on our end if a student joins and you've used all the licenses you already have, as long as your ebooks in that edition have been purchased within a year. And if you're wondering about your account, you can go to the top right and it should say your name. For me, it says facilitator, and you can click account. And you can see your access code, you can see the date you started everything, how many licenses you have, all of that kind of stuff. You can also click profile. If you need to do any editing of your name or your password, it's all here internally. And if you want to just look at the management console, you can do that too. So we have everything here, students' activations, everything is here to help you and serve you with the best possible semester you can have with our ebooks at D&S. We also have resources for you. So Magic Box is the company that helped design our ebooks. And if you click on support.getmagicbox.com on your browser, you can click Teacher Guide. And here We have a bunch of different guides that are able to be accessed by you to help you understand how to use our digital platform even more extensively if you'd like. So if you want to unassign content, if you'd like to deactivate a student, maybe someone dropped out of your course, if maybe you need to add a student, someone joined later on, we have all of that available to you. We also have a student guide, which is really important because the students might have questions, and instead of them asking you all the questions or coming to us, we have complete FAQs that we think would be helpful for them to look at first. So using drawing tools, adding bookmarks, making notes, adding highlights. If you want to send them to the parents, if they're curious as to what this ebook is, never forget that you can always reach out to us here. We are a small group of people who are running this company, and we are happy to answer any questions you have. Feel free to contact us. Our phone number can be found right here on our website. And we also have an email if you have a question about your order. And we have an email for general inquiries and information. And right here, you can subscribe to our mailing list. We're also available on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn.
So there we have it. I hope this video was helpful, teaching you how to use D&S eBooks. Remember, you can always contact us on our website or email or phone. And happy teaching. Thanks for choosing D&S eBooks.